Good morning. We are on a Saturday in May, towards the end of May, and we are copper coating today. So, quite nervous actually, just because it's a big job and we've never done it before, and a lot of people get someone else who knows what they're doing to do it, but we're going for ourselves. We've got some help on board today, and yeah, we're basically, our idea is to just keep going because it's going to be quite a hot day today. So we're thinking once we do one coat, by the time we get back round to the bow, we'll be ready to go again. So it might be non-stop. Our mum's coming to help us and Ashley's friend Will. So yeah, we should be a good day. We're hoping to get it done before it gets dark. I'm sure we will. It's 8:30 now, so if we start in the next half an hour, fingers crossed we'll be done ASAP and we can sit back and enjoy our work, because this is like the last step in what feels to have been a very long 5-6 weeks since we've been lifted out, because we've literally just been non-stop. We're both so tired. So made some coffees. The sun's shining. It's going to be a bit overcast today, which is going to be quite nice because it gets so hot when you're working. But yeah, it should be a good day.
So we had this and this. That's A pack and B pack. And then we had, I'm just getting all these out, but then we had this C pack, which is the copper particles that are suspended in the resin. So there's harmful to aquatic life with long-lasting effects. Maybe have to wear a mask. Although we're not aquatic. Oh, it's really powdery stuff. And that's it there, there's 16 there. We got 17 in total, so we're keeping one back for going under the bulb and doing the pads and stuff when we get put in the weekend sling in hopefully a few weeks' time. Hopeful. So that's basically a litre mix of Coppercoat.
So we've got suits, we've got drill, trays, buckets, copper, Ashley,
gloves.
Will.
And we've got Will. Will's come up well for us. So we've got our mums coming as well, so there's 5 of us because we need manpower apparently. So I think the plan is we're going to start, you start at one side, I'll start at the other, and we'll work bow to stern, just work down, and then I think once we get 2/3 of the way down, you can start with a paintbrush painting the like little bits in between and stuff, and then we'll catch up and basically have the back quarter, because that takes the longest time, the back quarter done at the same kind of time.
Yeah.
Because this will get done really quickly, but then that bit will take a long while. But if there's 3 of us on the back bit, no point me being here, you being there, and then overlapping and stuff. Mm-hmm. And then obviously there's spare people as well for chance this starts getting to where.
Yeah. Do you not want to go down the shady patch side first?
It's tacky. No, there's both sides. Bush.
Yeah.
So just doing this to get all the hairs off them, although to be fair,
No, they don't really need.
these are the rollers off Coppercoat and they're absolutely brilliant.
They were fine last time, didn't they?
What is Coppercoat proper say?
Well, Coppercoat's the stuff that we've bought, but these are the rollers obviously they advertised and they don't look like there's out coming off them. Weezy isn't happy with her suit.
I don't think we'll be wearing these today.
She says it's too big.
He's nervous.
What?
I'm saying you're nervous.
Yeah, it's just
It's just the starting. It's like anything. It's like an exam or anything, isn't it? It's just the beginning.
And just once we've started mixing, it's fine. It's just like, the minute we start mixing, we're a slave to it from then on. And if it's going to go wrong, it'll go wrong. So yeah, as soon as we put the whiskey in the first mix, we're on. I'll be happy.
to the second coat now.
We're flying.
All hands on
It's
deck.
worth leaving
It's going on really well.
half an hour between each coat.
Well, the bow seems to be drying really fast.
Doesn't matter though if it gets left, does it?
Got Christine on the tea and coffees.
Yeah, do you want a tea or a coffee?
Can I have a tea, please?
Of course you can.
Thank you.
Great colour.
Got everyone helping out
It's a
today.
marigold, isn't it?
Isn't it?
Yeah, I'll fill it. More.
And this is why the sailing community is brilliant. Look, Phil and Christine have come over, making brews for us while we're putting it on. So that's second coat, and there's the first coat. So we're just about to finish this back end now. Oh, here comes a Kit Kat. Thank you very much. All looked after. Coming on well, Will.
Yeah. Good. I'm going good.
Got Weeze and Elle's mum on the mix.
Well, we have a brew.
Well, we have a quick respite and a brew. But yeah, the nerves have settled now. We're all right. It's drying nicely and it's going on well. So yeah, we'll keep you posted.
What, darling? Yeah.
That's nice.
Got some on the stainless steel.
I know. Minus 3 points for that.
Yeah, exactly. And a bit of a barking.
Sand marks up.
It doesn't have any sand marks though, does it?
Well, I suppose it's
It's supposed to be like a mirror. It's not supposed
Yeah,
to have a
polished.
marking it, a line in it at all.
What coat's this one?
This is the third coat. Halfway through the third coat, and it's getting hot. But it's going on nice. I'd say it's about 75% less stressful than I thought it was going to be. Do you agree?
Yeah.
So we thought there was a perfect time to hit it, and if you didn't hit it within that minute,
Then it's
you're
ruined.
done. But like Phil was saying, there's a chemical bond time as well. It's not just to do with it being tacky. So if it does kind of turn a little bit, I mean, that's nice and tacky now, but if it does turn a little bit, it's fine, 'cause you've still got the chemical bond time. Which don't mean we can go to bed and start another coat tomorrow, but the temperature's lovely, there's no wind.
How are we doing this side?
Yeah, good. Will and I just say it's a bit cooler around this.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm not going to tell Ashley.
Yeah, keep that quiet.
Nothing to see here.
of blue's ruining it. That bit of blue's ruining it though.
That was amazing.
There.